Mastering ChatGPT, a comprehensive guide to enhancing conversations. An in-depth exploration into the realm of ChatGPT, unraveling the secrets and strategies that will empower you to maximize your interactions. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, these tips and techniques are designed to elevate your experience with ChatGPT. But first, welcome to Tech Too Fast, where imaginations meets acceleration in the tech lane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Custom instructions, tailoring your experience. We encounter a groundbreaking feature that transforms the ChatGPT experience, custom instructions. This innovative addition allows users to fine-tune their interactions by providing specific details about themselves, preferences, and expectations. Whether you're an educator, a student, or a professional, custom instructions empower you to shape ChatGPT's responses to align with your unique needs. The process is both intuitive and user-friendly. Simply click on your profile icon to access the customization options. Navigate to the Custom Instructions section, where you can furnish ChatGPT with a personalized note detailing who you are, your specific requirements, and how you prefer responses. This feature not only enhances the relevance of interactions, but also streamlines your experience by eliminating the need to reiterate preferences in every conversation. Custom instructions represent a significant leap forward in tailoring AI interactions to individual users, reflecting the commitment to personalization and user-centric design in the evolution of ChatGPT. This newfound capability promises a more engaging and efficient engagement with the language model, setting the stage for a truly personalized AI experience. Tone and style, crafting conversations. Crafting the right tone and style in your conversations with ChatGPT. These key aspects of interaction can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your communication. By instructing the AI on your preferred language, formality, and response length, you gain the ability to tailor ChatGPT's output to align with your specific preferences. Consider practical scenarios where these instructions can make a substantial difference. For instance, if you're seeking assistance with complex Excel formulas but prefer concise answers without detailed explanations, conveying this preference to ChatGPT ensures that the responses meet your specific requirements. The beauty of this customization lies not only in this immediate impact on your current interaction, but also in the ability to save these instructions in your custom settings. This way, future engagements with ChatGPT maintain the same efficiency and alignment with your preferences. The introduction of custom instructions marks a significant stride towards a more personalized and user-centric AI experience. It empowers users to shape not only the content but also the style of AI-generated responses, making the interaction more intuitive and seamless. This newfound capability reflects the commitment to user customization, providing a glimpse into the exciting possibilities of tailored AI interactions. Confidence levels and source verification, ensuring reliability. In the quest for reliable information, instructing ChatGPT to provide confidence levels and source verification emerges as a valuable tool. This customization feature allows users to enhance the accuracy and trustworthiness of AI-generated responses, particularly when dealing with factual topics or inquiries that demand substantiated information. Consider scenarios where this customization can make a substantial impact. If you're conducting research or seeking information on a critical topic, specifying that you want confidence levels accompanying responses helps you gauge the reliability of the provided information. Additionally, instructing ChatGPT to include URLs with credible sources adds an extra layer of verification, ensuring that the information can be independently validated. This customization feature not only promotes accuracy but also fosters transparency in AI interactions. It aligns with the user's need for trustworthy information and reflects the commitment to delivering responses rooted in verifiable sources. As users leverage these tools to refine the reliability of ChatGPT-generated content, the AI experience becomes more robust and dependable. Before we move on, writing style mimicry, your voice, your words. Have you already hit that subscribe button? Go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Writing style mimicry, your voice, your words. The potential for personalization, ChatGPT's ability to emulate your unique writing style is a groundbreaking feature. Imagine having an AI assistant that not only comprehends your preferences, but mirrors your distinctive voice. This game-changing functionality allows users to teach ChatGPT their writing style by providing examples, creating a tailored experience for various writing tasks. The process is intuitive. Share samples of your writing, designate a name for your unique style, and witness as ChatGPT adapts to echo your voice. This level of personalization holds immense value for individuals engaged in diverse writing endeavors, from crafting blog articles to composing emails. The AI's capacity to generate content in a manner that resonates with your personal style introduces a new dimension of authenticity to your interactions. Self-critic mode, refining responses. Transform ChatGPT into your writing critique partner with the self-critic mode. Ask the AI to review its own text, identify areas for improvement, and provide detailed feedback. This method empowers you to refine and enhance the quality of responses, ensuring that the output aligns more closely with your expectations. Self-prompting, tailoring prompts. Take control of your prompts with the self-prompting feature. Guide ChatGPT on how to optimize its own prompt by asking questions until you're satisfied. This ensures that the AI comprehensively understands your needs, resulting in more accurate and useful responses. It's a powerful way to fine-tune the conversation to your specific requirements. Word count limit, precision and communication. In many cases, brevity is key. If you don't want lengthy responses, set a word count limit for ChatGPT. Whether you're looking for a concise answer or a specific length of information, controlling the word count helps you receive the information you need without unnecessary details. Output formats, diversifying information presentation. Diversify your outputs by instructing ChatGPT to present information in different formats. Whether it's tables, CSV, HTML, JSON, or even Pandas data frames, specifying the output format ensures that the information is not just accurate but also presented in the format you prefer. This flexibility adds another layer of customization to your conversations. We've only scratched the surface, and there's much more to explore. Once again, this is Tech Too Fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.